Hello everyone, my name is Shyam Chauhan and in this lecture we are going to cover a small topic, that is fraction as an operator of. In this topic we are going to conclude that the of operator can be replaced by multiplication sign. They have taken three figures which represent a rectangle. In first figure they have shaded one part. In second rectangle also they have shaded one part out of two part. Now each shaded part represent half of one rectangle. That is, each shaded portion represent half of one rectangle. And if we combine both the shaded parts into one part, then these represent half of 2. That is, there are two shaded parts and they are half of 2, and they have concluded that we can replace of by multiplication sign. They have taken one more example. They have taken three rectangle, similar three rectangle. They have shaded one portion of each rectangle, and each shaded portion represent half of one rectangle. Now if we combine all the shaded portions, then it represents half of three shaded portions. That is, half of three shaded portions, and hence half of 3 we can replace of by multiplication sign. That is, half into 3, and the multiplication is 3 into 1 is 3 divided by 2. And if we observe, this is an improper fraction, and to convert this into mixed fraction we have to divide 3 by 2. 2 ones are 2 and 1 is remainder. This is equals to 1 whole, remainder is 1 divided by 2. It is equals to 1 whole 1 divided by 2, and this is one complete rectangle and one half rectangle, half and one complete. In total they represent three half rectangle, that is 1, 2 and 3 half rectangles. So they have concluded that we can replace or represent of by multiplication sign. Now they have taken one example, that is Farida has 20 marbles and Reshma has 1 by 5th of the number of marbles what Farida has. If we write into statement, that is Reshma has 1 by 5th of what Farida has. Reshma has 1 by 5th of marble that Farida has. Now we can replace of by multiplication sign, and Farida has 20 marbles, and that is equals to 20 by 5, and 20 by 5 equals to 4. So Reshma has 4 marbles. Similarly, we have half of 16 we can replace off by multiplication sign. Half into 16, that is equals to 16 divided by 2 equals to 8. Now let us solve. Try this. Question number 1. We have to find first half of 10, second 1/4 of 16, and third 2/5 of 25. So this is equals to 1/2. We can replace off by multiplication sign, and that is equals to multiplication of whole number by fraction. We have to multiply numerator and denominator. That is equals to 1 into 10 is 10 divided by 2, and 10 by 2 is 5. Second is 1/4 of 16. We can replace off by multiplication sign, and now multiply the whole number by fraction. That is numerator 1 into 16 is 16 divided by 4, that is equals to 4. Third is 2/5. We can replace off by multiplication sign into 25. Now product of whole number by fraction, you will get 25 into 2, that is 50 divided by 5, that is equals to 10. Now let us solve example 1. Example 1 says that in a class of 40 students, so total there are 40 students. Number of students that like English is 1/5. Number of students that likes to study English is 1/5 of total. Now we can replace 1/5 off by multiplication sign, and total there are 40 students, that is equals to 40 into 1, 40/5, that is equals to 8. So 8 students likes to study English. Next, they says that 2/5 of the total number of students likes to study mathematics. Two by five of total students likes mathematics, that is equals to 2/5. We can replace off by multiplication sign, and total there are 40 students, so that is equals to 2 into 40 is 80 divided by 5, that is equals to 16. And remaining students like to study science. Science are remaining students, that is we can write total student minus the student who likes mathematics plus English, that is equals to 40 minus mathematics and English that is 8 and 16 that is equals to 40 minus 24 that is equals to 16. So 16 students likes science. In next lecture we will cover exercise 2.1. Thank you.